elastic hours, they expand and shrink. Memories blur faster than you think. One moment's forever, the next just a blink. In this elastic time, we sink or swim. So hold on tight to now, 'cause time will wait for you. In this elastic flow, each second's precious true.
Introducing Lash are fundamental concepts in geometry used to describe the relationship between points in space-line have significant roles in various fields, including architecture, engineering, and art. Definition of lines. A line is a set of points on a single plane with a specific direction. A line can be defined as 1. A set of points on single plane. 2. Having a specific direction. 3. Having no width or thickness.
I will explain the material about properties of parallel line. Two lines are considered parallel if 1. They never intersect, 2. They have some direction, 3. The distance between the two lines is always constant. There are three properties of parallel lines. One, transitive property. If line A is parallel to line B and line B is parallel to line C, then line A is parallel to line. 2. Symmetry property. If line A is parallel to line B, then line B is parallel to line A. 3. Reflexive property. Line A is always parallel to itself.
I will explain about the types of line. The first is a curved line. Curved line is a line that is not straight, but curved at one point or many points. For example, are the shape of a rainbow and a soda can. The second is a vertical line. Vertical line is a straight line whose direction starts from the bottom up or vice versa. For example, are the table legs and iron fences. The third is an oblique line. Oblique line is a line whose movement starts from an angle, from the upper left corner, then leads to the lower right corner. And the last is a straight line. Straight line is a line that is not curved and is the distance between 2 points. For example, are highway and the edge of a book.
Here are some examples of the application of parallel line. For the first is architecture. Parallel lines are used in building design to create a symmetrical and harmonious impression. For example, number 1 is symmetrical buildings. Parallel lines create a symmetrical impression on building facade. Number 2 is interior design. Parallel lines are used in interior design to create a harmonious and balanced impression. Number 3 is garden and landscape. Parallel lines are used in garden and landscape design to create a harmonious and balanced impression. And the second is engineering. Parallel lines are used in planning of roads and bridges to enhance safety and efficiency. For example, number 1 is highways. Parallel lines are used in highway planning to enhance safety and efficiency. Number 2 is bridges. Parallel lines are used in bridge structure planning to improve strength and stability. Number 3 is drainage system. Parallel lines are used in drainage system planning to effectively channel water. And the last one is art. Parallel lines are used in composition to create a harmonious and aesthetic impression. For example, number 1 is painting. Parallel lines are used in painting to create a harmonious and aesthetic impression. Number 2 is photography. Parallel lines are used in photography to create a deep and changing effect. And number 3 is graphic design. Parallel lines are used in graphic design to create a harmonious and professional impression. And another example of the application of parallel line is the first is product design. Parallel lines are used in product design to create a modern and minimalist impression. The second is web design. Parallel lines are used in web design to create a harmonious and easy to navigate impression. And the last one is maps and atlases. Parallel lines are used in maps and atlases to create an accurate and informative impression.
The conclusion: lines and parallel lines are fundamental concepts in geometry with significant roles in various fields. Understanding lines and parallel lines can improve design, safety, and aesthetic.